This Wallace Real Estate property video is presented by Tyler Lettner. Showings begin at the open house this Sunday 9/29 from 2 to 4 p.m. This beautiful 3-bed 2.5 bathroom home is situated on a level corner lot and features a single-car garage as well as large driveway space. The home features many updates with most major systems recently upgraded to include a new roof, HVAC system, water heater, and electric panel, giving you confidence in your new home's functionality. The kitchen includes beautiful granite countertops, newer stainless steel appliances, and a convenient pots/pans hanging rack. Perfect for hosting and everyday meals alike. You'll also notice smooth textured ceilings, new ceiling fans, and newer outlet/switch covers throughout. This home offers a large primary bedroom complete with an ensuite bath for your privacy and comfort, as well as a second full bath conveniently located near the other 2 bedrooms. Step through the sunroom to find a private fenced yard with raised flower beds, a peaceful fire pit and patio space. Whether you're a first-time homebuyer or just looking for a comfortable space, this house is a perfect fit. There is also a home warranty in place through April of 2025, which is transferrable. For more information, review the details below or contact Tyler Lettner at 865-584-4000.